Have you ever been sitting quietly in class, a meeting, or on a bus when suddenly your stomach goes PFFFFT, and your brain instantly says, "Please tell me that wasn't me"? Smiling face with open mouth and smiling eyes. So why do we fart at all? Are our bodies just trying to embarrass us? Not really. Every time you eat food like rice, dal, roti, pizza, or even a banana, your body starts digesting it. But some food doesn't fully break down and reaches your intestines, where tiny bacteria start eating it and, just like humans, release gas after eating. That gas builds up inside your body, making you feel bloated like a balloon, so your body releases it through the only exit it has, and whether it's silent or loud depends on pressure, speed, and bad timing. The smell comes from sulfur in foods like eggs and onions, so it's basically your body saying digestion is done. So next time it happens, don't panic, it's not rude, it's biology, and remember everyone farts, even the person giving you that look.